Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system and updates. Now let's tap on backup and restore, and as you can see here we've got whole Google backup section. So let's tap on backup account and make sure that this option is turned on, and then tap on backup account, of course. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and now we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. It's up to you whether you want to turn on the backup right here. I will just tap on turn on. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can tap on it and read it, and tap on I agree. There we've got the information about the backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and here we've got another section where our device will show you the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, stored securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on to finish, and as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.